All right, coming down to the holiday season, we're talking about boosting the immune system. And one of the best ways to boost your immune system is to get adjusted. They did a study and they took blood 15 minutes before an adjustment and 15 minutes after an adjustment. And what they showed is that 15 minutes after the adjustment, you have an increase in white blood cells in your blood after you get adjusted. So the white blood cells are the soldiers that is going to clean up the bacteria, the viruses, the fungi, all that stuff that's going on in the blood. The white blood cells do that. And they are increased after you get adjusted. So that's one of the major impacts on how people stay well and healthy by getting adjusted.